Made it! IKEA Portugal! We need sheets. So one thing that Jesus and I have noticed is that in the displays here in IKEA, you've got like scenes of like, I don't know if it's Lisbon or Porto, like, let's see if we can focus here. Right behind me, the digital display that seems like a window. The simulated window that accompanies this little patio area, just, it makes it look really local or national, and it's really pretty. I think it's really well done. Guys, we have left IKEA. IKEA is directly behind me over here that you can see. We are on our way home. We haven't actually bought that much, but it was an opportunity for us to at least see what IKEA here have. It means that next time when we visit, we won't have to spend such a long time meandering through all of the beautiful displays, and we can actually just focus on getting what we need to get, which is actually on the lower floor. Quick little review what we bought. We bought some plates. These were about 90 cents each. Little bowls, also I think 90 cents. These were around 120 or 130. A drying rack for €5. Also pretty drinking glasses for about 150. So the total bill for what we purchased was about €20 approximately. We still have other things that we need to go back and get. We need to get a chopping board, we need to get bed sheets, we need to get stuff for the bathroom, lots of other bits and pieces we still need to get. But this is a nice start, and now we have a better idea of the layout of IKEA, so it's much easier to return and to know to know now that when you go to IKEA, just go directly to the first floor or the ground floor, the lowest level, and just pick up everything you need right there. You don't have to go through the entire display area, although the display area is really useful, particularly for seeing things like sheets and bedding and stuff like that, what it would look like in a bedroom setting. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll keep you updated about how our house continues to develop, our new home, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye from Porto, Portugal.